back to my channel, and this is tip number 10. Yes, we are here inside the supermarket because I'm looking for my meal. Yeah. If you think that having your ideal weight is about reducing your food intake, I actually added 2 items in my daily meal. At yung first is this one. Ta-da! Dark chocolate. Yan. Pero, pag kumain kayo, make sure na isang bar lang. So, if you have noticed, etong Goya yung kinuha ko kasi ang ganda ng cuts nila. It is a little smaller than a coin size. Yon! And aside from that, may dinagdag din ako sa aking diet. So, dalawa sila. Oops! Wala nang laman. Wala nang laman yung Yakult. But I added Yakult or any... Wala man gani, di oh. Pag wala, any type of milk. So I added milk in my diet. This one. And then, minsan I also try this coffee or the Adult Plus na Bear brand. There, they also have now a coffee flavor. Ayun, so wala naman kung may isa-suggest na brand of milk you could take or drink. Whatever brand ng milk. Then I got 1 piece of chocolate. Then I add fruits pag may fruit sa bahay. If not, I take carbs, 1/2 na rice, and or / bread. So ayun, that's for my breakfast. That's our tip number 10, and bye-bye!
Mayo kayo nakakapit ka mo sa akong channel. Tiyan mo pang inulat mo. Pindutan ang subscribe button, pati